All right, guys, watch this video for, you ready for this? Tuesday, election day, November 3rd. I said this in last night's video. I have no idea what to expect. And when I don't know what to expect, I generally don't put money to work unless, I fall in love with something. So be careful out there. Trade small if at all. Defense first always. Protect your capital. I've been trading for a long time, and I've never seen a scenario where I think where there's more uncertainty, and the market hates uncertainty, than there is right now. So it's just something to think about. That you don't need to be in something, right? As a day trader, my favorite part of being a day trader is that I'm in cash every night, and I don't need to be in something. So I'm not saying I won't trade tomorrow, because the results are gonna come pouring in till the polls close tomorrow night. So I'm sure there'll be some A+ trades tomorrow. We'll see. But I'm just saying be careful and don't place any bets and hold them into the election, because that's just, it's Russian roulette. It's not worth it. If you're a day trader like me anyway. So anyway, here's what I've got. So there's the SPY, gapped up a little bit and had kind of a decent range on the day, but closed where it opened. A lot of uncertainty, and I hated the way the market traded today. I had a couple decent trades. I had a couple stupid trades. But here's what I'm watching tomorrow. So DGLY is sort of it's a police camera, body camera play, and I guess they've got maybe security cameras too. And I don't know. It certainly had a strong close, massive volume. So looking for a follow-through day tomorrow. EXAS goes on long watch. Sold off this morning, ended up, look at this intraday, ended up going, let me get pre-market off here. Sorry about that. I've got after hours on here because I was trading after hours. Ended up taking out, there's the early high, ended up taking that out before kind of rolling over. Anyway, this goes back on bounce watch, really, really strong stock. NWL had the gap up yesterday, sold off, and then ripped to new highs today. And Tupperware, which is basically the same space, has been really strong lately too. So NWL, looking for a follow-through day of that breakout tomorrow. FTCH, big breakout today. You kind of had on the daily chart, you kind of had a cup and handle and a breakout today, big volume. Looking for a follow-through day tomorrow. I've got 4 different pot stocks on watch. Now, marijuana legalization is on the ballot in I'm not sure how many states. So tomorrow's election day, and that's why these things ran up today. I don't know what to expect tomorrow, but there's 4 of them that I like that have strong looking charts. So keep in mind that they're running because of the possibility of, these however many states there are voting on marijuana legalization. So that's important to understand, right? So there's CGC, very nice little strong volume, kind of a breakout today. ACB is another one. Kind of got to zoom in to see this one, but nice volume and certainly interesting for a follow-through day. VFF is another one. Nice volume today, pretty strong close. And then Tilray is the 4th one I put on watch. You could probably have anyone you want. Tilray is kind of interesting because it had nice volume, and the whole number 7, and then just above that you have 712. I don't know, from about 6 or 7 days ago. So that one's kind of the best looking chart out of the pot stocks I just talked about. RLGY, kind of an attempted breakout, red day, and right back up. Pretty interesting through 12 tomorrow. LI, Chinese electric vehicle maker, big breakout today. Still has another potential catalyst over 2450. Speaking of which, I called this one, if you weren't in chat today, let me try that again. LI, called this on an inside 5s, right? And I got a lot of thank yous for this, so I'm just going to highlight it real quick. Yeah, the big pop, the big range on the opening candle, and then inside candle. So I called it long over this second candle over 2235. And in 10 minutes, it went to 2330. So again, I got a lot of thank yous for that. And it held up pretty well. SUP, big breakout today. Looking for a continuation day tomorrow. PayPal, gapping down on after hours, trading right now at 177. Looks like after hours is over. So it went out after hours at 177. So all the way down, I don't know, about right here. kind of had some support in that area. So we're just going to watch that one. I don't have any kind of, I don't have any kind of, particular price that I'm interested in or anything. Pinterest, after the big gap up on earnings, you've got a red day on gap up day, another red day, and another red day. So this goes on balance watch, ready for this thing to turn back up tomorrow. We'll see. And then JAKK, possible gap play tomorrow. Nice chart anyway, and then in after hours, this went out at 620. So they had earnings, and certainly worth watching tomorrow. As a potential gap play, I'm done babbling. We'll see you in the chat room tomorrow.